It's another warm start to the morning. Taking a look from our downtown Odessa camera, we can start to see a little bit of blue as the sun does begin to rise this morning. Currently a temperature around 78 degrees, a south wind around 9 miles per hour. We'll have a little bit of a breeze today, courtesy of our next little storm system that's approaching. That will help give the opportunity of a few isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms heading into late tonight and towards Saturday. So at least the majority of the day for Friday, it's going to be hot and mostly dry before we see that cool front arrive heading into late tonight, where it is currently parked along and towards the panhandle. And as high pressure continues to shift a bit more towards the west, it will allow the cool front to slide in tonight, bringing that chance of a couple showers and thunderstorms alongside even some drier air that will bring at least also some slightly cooler conditions for your weekend. So at least in terms of the rain coverage, I think up to near 30 to 50% coverage for our northern counties. I think towards the south, I think anywhere from 10 to 30% coverage. This is going to be for Friday evening towards Saturday. And I think some scattered rain, some isolated storms with lightning and some gusty winds are going to be your main weather impacts. So let's track it out together. So for today, a sunny to mostly sunny sky, and we'll see the cold front approach as we head into late tonight to start to bring a couple isolated to scattered showers and storms for our northern counties. But watch as the cold front keeps advancing further southward. This activity will begin to slowly fizzle out. It will just be left with a couple little isolated showers to start off your morning into the basin, heading closer into around 7 a.m. And this cold front's going to keep advancing more further southward as we go within time towards your noon hour, where that's when we can start to see some additional development of a couple showers and storms near the I-10 corridor. And I think especially even for portions of the Davis Mountains and even along the Guadalupe Mountains. But in terms of the actual coverage, it is still going to stay quite limited even as we head in towards those afternoon and evening hours. So I think anywhere from a tenth of an inch to a quarter inch looks possible for most, but some isolated totals over a half inch, especially I think along into areas of Eddy and Lee County in the far northern Permian Basin. So it's not a washout by any means, but some scattered rain to start off your morning, especially heading into tomorrow, certainly looks possible. So at least the majority of today, we're going to have plenty of sunshine to go around, and we'll see that isolated rain chance heading in towards your evening hours, in which right now all of us are waking up to a clear start with a few high clouds across the region, a mix of temperatures into the 70s, even some 80s currently over into the Key City, warming up to 104 degrees in Abilene today, 102 in San Angelo, as well here into Midland and Odessa with some upper 90s along into portions of higher terrain. So still heat and humidity today, especially for the Big Country and Concho Valley, but we'll be able to put some of that moisture to good use with a couple isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms working in towards your late evening hours and towards Saturday, with a small dip in temperatures into the upper 90s before we quickly rebound under plenty of sunshine to 102 heading into Monday. Sydney?